So this is a spur of the moment video. I wasn't planning to make another one tonight, but the opportunity arose, and I know the fans of Anthony Riley are just going to love this one. He was in a thread, and I posted a comment asking him if he can produce a real aircraft flight plan. And his response, Wolfie6020, you asking me to make flight plans is like me asking you to argue the requisite standard of proof in dishonesty in theft matters. You have no clue, and I don't have any clue on flight paths. Well, I'm glad you admitted you don't have any clue on flight paths, Anthony, but obviously you have not done your homework on me. Does that look like a New South Wales police officer uniform with a sergeant's rank? That's me when I was flying police helicopters. That's me again with a New South Wales police officer uniform. There I am again, flying a New South Wales police jet. There we are, with an RAAF VIP escort. I was flying lead in that formation. And that was back in the early days when we had the Bell Jet Ranger. Again, that's me. Now, in order to fly police helicopters, I actually had to do 5 years as a sworn officer doing standard police duties. So yes, I absolutely understand the proofs of dishonesty in theft matters. I arrested plenty of criminals for theft matters, and I never lost a case in court. So sit back and enjoy some of what I did while I was at the New South Wales Police Air Wing.
Tells me what I should do. So I got up on my feet. I knew it would be alright, for my clothes were looking